Imagine a world without air coolers, hot, sweaty, uncomfortable. The sweltering heat would be inescapable, making daily life a constant struggle. People would rely on hand fans, shade, and the occasional breeze to find relief. The summer months would be a test of endurance, with everyone seeking ways to stay cool. The lack of modern cooling technology would mean that homes, workplaces, and public spaces would all be stiflingly hot. This was the reality for countless generations before the advent of air coolers. That was life for most of human history. For centuries, people had to endure the relentless heat with very few options for relief. They would gather in shaded areas, use hand fans, and even take dips in rivers or lakes to cool down. The invention of the air cooler brought a revolutionary change, transforming how we live and work during the hot months. Thankfully, we have air coolers now. These devices have become an essential part of our lives, providing much-needed comfort and making it possible to enjoy indoor activities even when the temperature outside is soaring. Air coolers are not just about comfort. They also improve productivity and overall well-being by creating a more pleasant environment. They keep us comfortable even on the hottest days. Whether it's a family gathering, a work meeting, or simply relaxing at home, air coolers ensure that we can stay cool and comfortable. They have become indispensable in our daily lives, helping us to beat the heat and enjoy our time indoors. This is the story of the air cooler. From its humble beginnings to the sophisticated devices we use today, the air cooler has undergone a remarkable transformation. Early models were simple and rudimentary, but they laid the foundation for the advanced technology we now take for granted. From simple beginnings to high-tech marvels, it's a journey of innovation. Over the years, inventors and engineers have continuously improved air cooler designs, making them more efficient, effective, and user-friendly. Today, we have air coolers that are not only powerful, but also energy efficient and environmentally friendly. We'll explore how air coolers work and how they've changed our lives. Understanding the mechanics behind these devices gives us a greater appreciation for the comfort they provide. We'll look at the different types of air coolers, their components, and how they function to keep us cool. Get ready to discover the cool evolution of a simple yet essential invention. The air cooler's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of comfort. From the earliest designs to the latest innovations, we'll take you through the fascinating history of this indispensable device. This is the history of keeping cool. Join us as we delve into the past, present, and future of air coolers and learn how this remarkable invention has transformed our lives for the better. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Long ago, people relied on nature to stay cool. Before the advent of modern air conditioning and electric fans, our ancestors had to be resourceful in finding ways to beat the heat. They turned to the natural world around them, using the environment to their advantage. They sought shade from trees, which provided a cool respite from the blazing sun. Large, leafy trees were particularly prized for their ability to create extensive areas of shade. In many cultures, communal activities and gatherings often took place under these natural canopies, where people could find some relief from the oppressive heat. Another natural refuge was the coolness of caves. Caves maintained a more constant, cooler temperature compared to the outside environment, making them ideal shelters during hot weather. People would retreat into these natural formations to escape the heat, finding comfort in the cool, damp air within. One of the earliest cooling inventions was the handheld fan. These simple yet effective tools were used across various ancient civilizations. Handheld fans were not only practical, but also often beautifully crafted, reflecting the artistry and culture of the people who made them. Made from materials like feathers or leaves, these fans created a gentle breeze. The motion of waving the fan back and forth helped to circulate the air, providing a cooling effect. In some cultures, fans were also used in ceremonial and ritualistic contexts, highlighting their significance beyond mere functionality. People also used water for cooling. Water, a vital resource, was ingeniously employed in various ways to help lower temperatures. In many ancient societies, water was considered a precious commodity, and its cooling properties were well understood and utilized. They hung wet cloths in doorways and windows. This method was particularly effective in arid regions, where the evaporation of water could significantly cool the air. The wet cloths acted as natural air conditioners, providing a simple yet effective way to reduce indoor temperatures. As the water evaporated, it cooled the air slightly. This process, known as evaporative cooling, was a common technique used in various forms around the world. It demonstrated an early understanding of the principles of thermodynamics, even if the people using it didn't know the science behind it. These simple methods offered some relief from the heat. Though they may seem rudimentary by today's standards, these techniques were crucial for survival in hot climates. They reflect the ingenuity and adaptability of our ancestors, who found ways to stay cool long before the invention of modern cooling technologies. The late 19th century brought a revolutionary invention, the electric fan. This innovation changed everything. Suddenly, people could create their own breeze with the flip of a switch. Electric fans quickly became popular. They offered a consistent and more powerful way to cool down. While fans circulated air, inventors sought even cooler solutions. They turned to the power of evaporation. Evaporative cooling uses a simple principle. When water evaporates, it absorbs heat. This process cools the surrounding air. Early evaporative coolers were basic. People in hot, dry climates used devices called wind catchers. These structures channeled wind over water, cooling the air before it entered buildings. The rise of modern air coolers, efficiency and affordability. The 20th century saw major advancements in air cooler technology. Designs became more efficient and affordable. Modern air coolers, also known as swamp coolers, use a fan to draw air over a wet pad. As water evaporates from the pad, the air cools down. This cool air is then circulated throughout a room. Technological advancements, making cool even cooler. Over time, air coolers became even more sophisticated. Manufacturers introduced features like different fan speeds for adjustable cooling, water level indicators to prevent dry runs, and remote controls for added convenience. These innovations made air coolers more user-friendly and efficient. The AI revolution. Smart cooling for a smarter world. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming the air cooler industry. AI-powered coolers can learn your preferences and adjust settings automatically. Imagine an air cooler that knows when you're home and cools the room before you arrive. AI can optimize cooling based on factors like room temperature, humidity levels, and time of day. This means maximum comfort with minimal energy consumption. A future of innovation. What's next for air coolers? The future of air coolers is bright. We can expect even more advanced features, such as voice control. Hey cooler, turn the temperature down. Integration with smart home systems for seamless control, and advanced air purification capabilities for healthier indoor air. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the air cooler, keeping us cool and comfortable for generations to come. A cooler tomorrow. From ancient breezes to AI-powered smart cooling, the journey of cooling technology is a fascinating tale of human ingenuity and adaptation. From the earliest days, humans have sought ways to make their environments more comfortable. Ancient civilizations used simple methods like wet mats and wind catchers to cool their homes. These early innovations laid the groundwork for the sophisticated cooling systems we have today. This simple yet essential invention has come a long way. Over the centuries, the basic principles of cooling have remained the same, but the technology has evolved dramatically. From the first mechanical fans to the modern air coolers that use advanced materials and smart technology, each step in this journey has brought us closer to achieving optimal comfort in our living spaces. As we face the challenges of a changing climate, the importance of efficient cooling systems cannot be overstated. Global warming and urban heat islands are making our cities hotter than ever before. In this context, air coolers are not just a luxury, but a necessity for many people around the world. They help mitigate the effects of extreme heat, making our homes and workplaces more livable. Air coolers will play an even more important role in our lives. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more efficient and versatile cooling solutions. Portable air coolers, for example, offer flexibility and convenience, allowing us to stay cool wherever we go. In homes, offices, and public spaces, air coolers are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. They offer an energy-efficient and affordable way to stay comfortable during hot weather. Unlike traditional air conditioning systems, which can be expensive to install and operate, air coolers use less energy and are more environmentally friendly. This makes them an attractive option for people looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the benefits of a cool, comfortable environment. The next time you feel the cool relief of an air cooler, take a moment to appreciate its long and fascinating history. Think about the countless inventors and engineers who have contributed to its development and the many ways in which this simple device has improved our quality of life. From ancient times to the present day, the air cooler has been a symbol of human ingenuity and our enduring quest for comfort. Take a moment to appreciate its long and fascinating history. The air cooler is more than just a household appliance. It is a testament to our ability to innovate and adapt. As we look to the future, we can be confident that the air cooler will continue to evolve, meeting the challenges of a changing world and helping us stay cool and comfortable in the years to come. It's a story of innovation, adaptation, and the enduring human desire for comfort. As we continue to develop new technologies and find new ways to stay cool, the air cooler will remain a vital part of our lives. Whether in the form of a simple fan or a high-tech smart device, the air cooler is a symbol of our ability to overcome challenges and create a more comfortable world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.